how to fix the issue where Chrome keeps opening up Yahoo search. So at the moment, if I go and search for something, you can see it brings up Yahoo search results. Now I'm going to show you how we can remove Yahoo and change this to the Google search engine. Now the first step is to click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand side, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings. In the left hand navigation, click on search engine, and if this is currently set to Yahoo search, click on change, and then go and select Google. You can then press set default, click on manage search engines and site search, and if you scroll down it should say Google default like so. Once you've done that, you need to click on startup from the left hand navigation. Go and check the box, open a specific page or set of pages, and click on add a new page. Now from here, go and type in www.google.com and then press add. Once you've done this, go and close out of Google Chrome. You can then open up your internet browser, and you can see the next time we search for something, it's now going to bring up the Google search results. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.